Hey, I'm here for ordered lists in HTML. So we always see websites having lists in form of numbers. Let's say 1, they did something, 2, another item, 3, another item, like that. And they can even list in form of letters or Romans. So anything. So that's called a list. And that list is always written with can be written with an HTML program, and an example is right here. So in this language here, hope that you can open a Notepad program and then you save. For the saving procedures, sorry, you can go through the videos on my channel. Then you land on any video of HTML, you should be seeing how we save. So after saving your Notepad, because Notepad is an example of a text editor, and the code is going to be ran in a search engine. Hope you know that. So as of now, I'm at lists. So I'll be creating a list, and I'll be starting with this. I'll type something like OL. So the OL means ordered list. Ordered list start. Ordered list start equals 1. So that means that the ordered list should be starting at number 1, and it should be following the trend 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So I'm going to create a first item. Let's say I'm going to type li. Li means list, and I'm gonna have types of computers. So let me first save this. You can go with a shortcut Control S, or you go to the save button. So it's creating the list as number 1, and it is following the trend of ordered list start is equal to 1. So if I proceed to another type, again li, then I type categories of computers, then I save this. It's going to be giving it number 2. So that's how you create an ordered list. An ordered list is in form of numbers, letters, Romans, etc. So it's created like that. The OL means ordered list start equals 1. The ordered list should start at 1. So after that, we have this other example also. We also have this. I talked of the letters. I can write some kinds of letters. For example, I can have L start is equal to. So I'm going with the letters now, and the letters are going to be in quotes. And then I can type something like I. Yes. Then under this, I can type list li. Let me type an example of computer here. Hope so. Then I go to this. So it's listing it under the category of computer as an example of a list. We can also have another one. Save, refresh. So it is listing it under the categories of computer. So after that, we can proceed with I can close this OL. I close it. I'd opened OL here, then I'm closing it. If I close it, and then I create another list, li trends. Save. So if I run here, you're seeing that trends is now going to number 3. These ones are just subcategories. You saw that the number 3 was brought about by me closing here. If I didn't close, then trend would be taken as the third item. Assuming I didn't close, trend would be taken as the third item. But I closed. That means I was pushing it to the third item. So those are just numbers, and they're in form of ordered lists. So if you want to even use letters, an example is letters. If you want to use letters, of course you type the OL, means ordered list. OL start equals, then maybe you want to start with letter A. You want to start with letter A, then you want to list some items like phones. Sorry, I made some error. Trends was supposed to be here. Trends was, I think I was at OL, then trends was here. So I can save this, then I try to run it. So you're seeing that the trends is number 3. Let me go back to my code. The trends is number 3, and then OL start is equal to A. So let me put this here. Let me try and close this. Save. Back to the code. So what I want to do is I want to have the letters A, B, C, something like that. That is why I'm trying to edit this. Can go with OL type is equal to A. Then I save. I run this. Back to the code. Trends. Wait. Trends was here.